My name is Andrew Bollhoefer, and I am the VP of U.S. Sales for PolyNovo. I came to PolyNovo about 2 years ago, so I've been here in the leadership team, helping build and grow the company from that area. I came across PolyNovo and I was contacted by a recruiter by FloodGate Medical, and the more I really dove into the product and the people and the leadership, I really felt like it was something where it was the right product at the right time, and it was something that I wanted to really be a part of. It had great impact on patients. It also had great growth potential from a business standpoint. And it was something that I felt would be a perfect fit for me in my career and what I wanted to do. And ultimately, at the end of the day, being directly related and impacting patients' lives. BTM is a bioabsorbable temporizing matrix, and it allows for some very complex healing processes to take place at a very small micro level. And that allows the body to heal in an organized fashion as opposed to an unorganized fashion, which is what the body typically does. I would describe our culture as one of a growing company, but the way that we really like to talk about the culture is one of competition, because salespeople like to compete. We all like to be number one, and we also are working towards a common goal, and that's patient-centric. It's helping grow the BTM name and the brand, and allowing it to get in the hands of surgeons and ultimately onto patients and help as many people as possible. So even though we're competitive, we're also very collaborative, and we want to make sure that we're helping each other, sharing in successes. A few of the characteristics of what we look for to work here at PolyNovo would be someone who is patient-centric, is someone that, like what I like to call strategic hustle, and a lot of aptitude, the ability to learn, to grow, and to be adaptive. We are a growing organization, and so being able to be adaptive and being able to pivot sometimes is always helpful as well. And the last thing I always look for in a person is character. And that's hard to define, and it's hard to put down onto paper, but hiring people with character and building an organization around character is something that our organization is passionate about. I think by working here, you get a chance to be a part of something special. I also think the benefits of being a part of this company are, just being able to grow your career and being able to have multiple opportunities. Being a smaller organization on the growth side, we get to wear multiple hats. And so there are plenty of opportunities to have your voice heard, be a part of what we're doing and the growth, helping shape that growth. And my hope is that in 3 and 5 years that those employees take a look back over their shoulder and say, man, look how far we've come and look what we've accomplished, and I've been a part of that. The growth of the company is a function of the demand for the product, and we're out talking about it and educating the markets on a daily basis. And by virtue of doing so, we're able to continue to grow as a company, not just in the sales side, but around the globe. We're seeing plenty of growth in that regard too. In 5 to 10 years, I think we're going to continue our trajectory, the way that we're growing. And, our goal is for BTM to be a household name in multiple specialties when thinking about full thickness wounds and being able to treat patients and allowing them to have great clinical outcomes, both from a functional standpoint and from a cosmetic standpoint.